Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
So for tip number 10, I recommend that you hire someone to help you. If you realize that you're the kind of person that says, this is really great, but I'm not going to do it, that's totally cool. Hire someone. You can talk to me if you want a referral. You can talk to the local SBA score office if you want a referral. I'm sure the Biz Fair folks also have people that can refer you. The key here is just to know your area of genius. So know if you're the kind of person who can do your accounting and do it successfully, or if you're the kind of person that says, gosh, I can do so many other things, and this is not the thing for me.